Today, I'm delighted to announce we're providing more than £50 million to support our universities, colleges and our students. The coronavirus pandemic has affected all aspects of life: economic, cultural, community and education. And of course, our colleges and universities are at the heart of all of these. So we're supporting these major institutions in Welsh life so that they can support students of all ages and keep playing their role in our recovery. We'll be providing £27 million to support our universities in maintaining teaching jobs and research throughout this difficult period. There will also be funding available to support students suffering from financial hardship this year. We're also providing more than £23 million for our further education colleges. This will include extra support for learners who've missed out on going to school or college this year, support for students on independent skills programmes, and also funding to provide the digital equipment to college students. We've got world-class universities and colleges here in Wales, known not just for their excellence in teaching and research, but are top of the class for student experience too. They provide the skilled workforce which is vital to our economy, the research and innovation which enriches our culture and society, and the opportunities for citizens to learn, grow and contribute. Diolch yn fawr.